Oh my god, Paula, you scared me so much. My heart is beating like crazy.
Really? Let's measure your heartbeat.
Okay.
So to get your heartbeat, we'd have to count how many times your heart beats per second.
Okay.
So I could start a timer for 10 seconds and you can put your fingers on your neck like this and count the number of heartbeats.
Let's do it.
Okay, so I'm gonna start now. So that was 10 seconds.
Wow, 20 times. So that means my pulse is 120. You know what would be super cool?
What?
If actually the heart that I programmed on the first day of the challenge could beat together with my heartbeat. Let's do that. So we have the blink rate, which goes by second. So that means it should be blinking twice per second. Let's program it. Nice. So this is the imagi charm beating together with my pulse. The challenge for today is to make your hearts blink together with your actual heart. There's more details on our Notion page on how to get the blink rate to work, and I can't wait to see your submissions in the app. Bye, Imagi coders!
Bye!